Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 golden rules for successful stock investing. Listen up, because whether you're a beginner or you think you're the next Warren Buffett, these tips will help you make smarter decisions and grow your wealth. We're talking big money. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a solid foundation for long-term financial success. I'm talking generational wealth. Are you ready to make some serious dough? Then buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the exciting world of stock investing. Rule number 1, and listen closely. Do your homework. You wouldn't buy a car without kicking the tires and taking it for a spin, would you? The same goes for stocks. Before you even think about investing a single dime, you need to thoroughly research the companies you're interested in. I'm talking about digging deep into their financial statements. Are they profitable? Are their revenues growing? What's their debt situation like? You need to understand the nuts and bolts of their business. What products do they sell? Who are their competitors? What's their market share? You gotta know everything. Don't just rely on hearsay or what some talking head on TV tells you. Read analyst reports, industry publications, and most importantly, the company's own filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Knowledge is power, people. Rule number 2 is all about diversification. You know the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, it's true for stocks too. No matter how much you believe in a particular company, never put all your money into a single stock. Why? Because the market is a fickle beast and even the best companies can stumble. Remember Enron, Lehman Brothers? These were giants that crashed and burned, taking countless investors down with them. Don't let that happen to you. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. Think of it like a well-balanced meal. You wouldn't want to eat only steak every day, would you? You need your veggies, your fruits, your carbs. The same goes for your portfolio. A mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets will help you weather any storm the market throws your way. Rule number 3. Patience, people, patience. Stock investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you're looking to make a quick buck, go to Vegas. But if you're serious about building long-term wealth, you need to be patient and think long-term. The stock market goes up, the stock market goes down. It's like a roller coaster. But over the long haul, the market has always trended upwards. That's why it's crucial to tune out the noise and ignore the short-term fluctuations. Don't panic and sell your stocks just because the market takes a dip. Remember, you only lose money if you sell. If you've done your research and invested in solid companies, hold on to those stocks for dear life. Rule number 4, check your emotions at the door. Emotions are your worst enemy when it comes to investing. Fear and greed can lead you to make impulsive decisions that you'll later regret. When the market is booming, it's easy to get caught up in the euphoria and start buying everything in sight. But that's a recipe for disaster. And when the market crashes, it's natural to feel scared and want to sell everything before it all goes to zero. But that's also a mistake. Remember, the market is driven by fear and greed. Don't let those emotions control your investment decisions. Stick to your strategy, stay disciplined, and don't make any rash moves. And finally, rule number 5. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it situation. You need to stay engaged and monitor your investments regularly. The market is constantly changing, and so are the companies you're invested in. Review your portfolio at least once a quarter, or even better, monthly. How are your stocks performing? Are there any new opportunities out there? Do you need to rebalance your portfolio? Don't be afraid to make adjustments if necessary. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay ahead of the game. There you have it, folks. My 5 golden rules for stock market success. Remember, investing in the stock market can be a roller coaster ride, but with these golden rules, you'll be well on your way to building long-term wealth and achieving your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start investing. And remember, knowledge is power. So keep learning and growing as an investor. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more investing advice. Happy investing!